Okay, this is a short video that's going to instruct you on how to add me to your repository if you want me to take a look at your code. Now, if you're on the tutored track, the only way I'll be able to have a look at your code and to make comments on it is by you adding me to your repository. Now, if you're not on the tutored track, but you'd still like me to have a look at your code, you could do the same and I could have a look at your code. So I'll probably do this for everyone, at least for the first few exercises. And then from the second class onwards, I'll only do this for the tutored students. But if I see someone is doing really well, especially with the exercises, then I will have a strong incentive to want to go in and look at what they're doing. And if they're making progress, then maybe just add a few comments. So this is what you do. You have to go to the repository page on GitHub. Then you need to click on settings. And then on settings, you need to select manage access. Manage access will say who has access to the repository. You will be the only one who will have that access by default. And then you could say invite teams or people. So what you then do is use their username, their email address, or their full name actually. It's smart enough to do that. So in my case, you will add Paul Correa. That's me. You click that and all you need to do is just give me write access, okay? Write access will allow me to push changes. That means I won't modify your code. I will just add comments and say, so this is what you have done correctly. This is what you've not done correctly. This is what you can improve. These are the things you can do. And then you say add Paul to this repository and boom, I will be added. It's as simple as that. And yes, take care.